Hey everyone, as a medical professional, I can't stress enough how crucial a healthy diet is for preventing serious health conditions like cancer and dementia.
We're bombarded with information about superfoods, but what about food combinations?
Certain foods, when eaten together, can actually hinder nutrient absorption or even cause digestive upset. And today, we're talking about a kitchen staple, the onion.
Onions are packed with antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties.
But did you know that combining them with certain foods can actually diminish their health benefits and even lead to health issues? That's right, some food pairings can interfere with the way your body processes onions, leading to digestive problems and potentially reducing the absorption of those amazing nutrients. So, if you're looking to maximize the health benefits of your diet, it's not just about what you eat, but also about what you eat together. Stay tuned as we delve into 5 surprising foods you should avoid combining with onions for optimal health and well-being. You might be surprised by what you learn.
Alright, let's kick things off with a surprising one: garlic. Now, you might be thinking, wait, garlic and onions are practically culinary cousins. They go together in so many dishes.
But while they might seem like a match made in flavor heaven, they can be a recipe for disaster for your gut.
Both garlic and onions are rich in sulfur compounds.
These compounds are responsible for many health benefits, acting as powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatories.
But too much of a good thing can be bad. Large amounts of sulfur compounds can overwhelm your digestive system. It's like throwing a wrench in the gears. This can lead to bloating, gas, and even heartburn. Enjoy garlic and onions in moderation. Try alternating between the two.
Sauté vegetables with garlic one day, and use onions the next. Balance is key.
Listen to your body.
Your gut will thank you for it. Next up, let's talk about fish. Now, I know what you're thinking: fish and onions? That's a classic combination.
And you're right, it can be delicious.
But there's a delicate balance to consider when pairing these two ingredients. You see, fish, especially white fish, has a delicate flavor that can easily be overpowered.
Onions, on the other hand, have a strong, pungent flavor that can sometimes be overwhelming.
When you combine the two, the strong flavor of the onions can mask the subtle sweetness of the fish, leaving your taste buds less than satisfied. But it's not just about the flavor.
Onions can also cause digestive issues when paired with fish.
This is because onions contain fructans, a type of carbohydrate that some people find difficult to digest. When combined with the protein and fats in fish, onions can slow down digestion and lead to bloating, gas, and indigestion.
Now, this doesn't mean you can never enjoy fish and onions together.
If you're someone who doesn't have any issues digesting onions, then a little bit of onion in your fish dish is probably fine. However, if you're prone to digestive upset, you might want to be mindful of how much onion you consume with your fish. Instead of using large amounts of raw onions, try using cooked onions or milder varieties like shallots or scallions. These options will provide a subtler onion flavor without overpowering the fish or causing digestive discomfort.
Another tip is to pair your fish with other digestive aids like ginger or lemon.
Ginger can help to soothe the digestive system, while lemon can aid in digestion and prevent bloating.
Remember, it's all about finding what works best for your body.
If you find that onions bother your stomach when eaten with fish, there are plenty of other delicious and healthy ways to enjoy both of these ingredients separately.
Now, let's move on to a combination that might surprise you: milk and onions.
You might be thinking, milk and onions?
Who even eats that together?
And you're right, it's not exactly a common pairing. But you might be surprised to learn that some people do enjoy onions in their milk, particularly in certain cultures. However, from a health perspective, combining milk and onions is generally not recommended. This is because onions can interfere with the digestion of milk, leading to digestive discomfort and potentially reducing the absorption of nutrients from both foods. Milk contains lactose, a type of sugar that requires a specific enzyme called lactase to be digested properly. Onions, on the other hand, contain compounds that can irritate the lining of the digestive tract, potentially interfering with the production of lactase. When the digestion of lactose is impaired, it can lead to symptoms like bloating, gas, diarrhea, and abdominal cramps. Additionally, the irritation caused by onions can further exacerbate these symptoms, leading to a very unpleasant experience for your gut.
Moreover, onions contain sulfur compounds that can interact with the calcium in milk,
potentially reducing its absorption. Calcium is crucial for strong bones, teeth, and overall health, so it's important to ensure that we're maximizing its absorption from our diet. If you enjoy the taste of onions in milk, there are ways to incorporate them into your diet separately. For example, you can enjoy a glass of milk with your breakfast and then have onions in your salad at lunch.
Remember, listening to your body is key.
If you experience any digestive discomfort after consuming milk and onions together, it's best to avoid this combination in the future.
Let's talk about another surprising combination: honey and onions.
Now, this pairing might not be as common as some of the others on our list, but it's worth discussing because it highlights the importance of considering both taste and digestive health when combining foods.
On the surface, honey and onions might seem like an odd couple.
Honey is known for its sweet, floral flavor, while onions have a sharp, pungent taste. When combined, these two distinct flavors can clash, creating a strange and often unpleasant taste experience. But the clash of tastes is just the tip of the iceberg. When it comes to digestion, honey and onions can also create problems. Honey is a type of sugar that is broken down and absorbed quickly by the body. Onions, on the other hand, contain fructans, which are more complex carbohydrates that take longer to digest. When you consume honey and onions together, the honey is digested rapidly, while the onions linger in the digestive tract. This can lead to fermentation of the onions in the gut, causing gas, bloating, and discomfort.
Moreover, both honey and onions have different effects on the body's internal temperature.
Honey is considered warming, while onions are considered cooling. Consuming these two foods together can create an imbalance in the body's internal temperature, potentially leading to digestive upset and other health issues. While honey and onions might offer certain health benefits individually, it's best to avoid combining them to prevent potential digestive discomfort and unpleasant taste experiences. Last but not least, let's address the combination of lentils and onions. Now, lentils are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They're a staple in many cuisines around the world and are often cooked with onions for added flavor and aroma. However, while this combination might be tasty, it can wreak havoc on your digestive system. Here's why both lentils and onions are known to cause gas and bloating. Lentils contain complex sugars called oligosaccharides, which our bodies struggle to break down completely. These undigested sugars then travel to our large intestines, where they ferment and produce gas. Onions, as we've discussed, contain fructans, another type of indigestible carbohydrate that can contribute to gas and bloating. Now, imagine the double whammy of combining these two gas-inducing foods. It's a recipe for digestive distress, leading to uncomfortable bloating, excessive gas, and even stomach cramps. While some people might tolerate this combination well, others, especially those with sensitive stomachs or digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, might experience significant discomfort. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you have to give up on enjoying lentils and onions altogether. The key is moderation and mindful preparation. Instead of cooking lentils and onions together for long periods, try adding onions towards the end of the cooking process. This reduces their potency and makes them easier to digest. Another helpful tip is to soak your lentils before cooking them. Soaking helps to break down some of those complex sugars, making them gentler on your digestive system. Additionally, incorporating digestive spices like ginger, cumin, and coriander into your lentil dishes can aid digestion and minimize bloating. Remember, listening to your body is crucial. If you find that consuming lentils and onions together leads to digestive discomfort, try enjoying them separately or in moderation.
So there you have it, 5 surprising foods to avoid combining with onions for optimal health.
Remember, a healthy diet isn't just about what you eat, but also about how you combine your foods. By being mindful of food pairings, you can maximize nutrient absorption, avoid digestive issues, and enhance your overall well-being.
Remember, knowledge is power.
The more you understand about how different foods interact with each other, the better equipped you'll be to make healthy choices that support your body and your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those plates balanced.